Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to always enable checkbox on page load and user can't disable it using custom code in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is a checkbox. Now you see user enable or disable it. So we are going to add code and that code will work in WordPress, PHP or HTML website. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select JavaScript snippet. Now you see create custom snippet section open. Then you can add title and then you see code per view. Now paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see checkbox ID. Now go to form. Now you see checkbox. Right click on it and then click on inspect. So we are going to find out ID. Now you see input type checkbox and then you see ID. So this ID we are using in custom code. Now close. Back to code. Now you see we edit. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, site-wide header. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to page and refresh the page. So we select date and then click on check available. So click on it. And then you see checkbox already enabled on page load. So when user click on it, so not disabled. Now you see. So you can use this code in WordPress, PHP or HTML website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.